Hi, I'm Sherry. I'm a product UX designer, and what you're about to watch is me rebuild a component that went missing from my Muchi design system. So I'm using Cursor to rebuild it and then properly document it back into Storybook using Figma Console MCP. So here we go. So to start off, I'm going to move myself here a little bit. I have my Muchi app. You can see it in the web version here, and it's in test flight, so it's in simulator here. And the iOS version of the nav is slightly different than the web version, and I'm actually okay with this. So what I want is to document this nav into Figma and into Storybook. So I have written a prompt. Basically what I'm asking it to do is to rebuild the Muchi bottom navigation component in both Figma and Storybook, exactly how it currently is in iOS. Okay, so right now it is building the bottom nav bar wrapper and Storybook stories, and then it's going to create the component via the Figma Console MCP. Okay, so Cursor has finished building the components into Storybook and Figma, so we can see how it did. Let's go into Storybook. We see here at the bottom, we've got bottom nav, and it built the meals, so all the active states, which if you want to see it next to simulator, it's pretty close. As you can see, yeah, using my icons, using type styles. Looks like the font is slightly, maybe regular size, not semi-bold. So I'll have a look at that. And then it looks like the log state is got a bit of tight spacing here, so I'll look into that. And then in Figma, where is it? Oh, here we go. It's built it over here. Looks like we've got different default and active states in each component, so they've got a variant of each in each one, and then it's rebuilt the nav with the states already in. So the type size isn't quite there. It looks like, I'll move my face out of the way, yeah, it's using enter, it's not using my type styles, but that's a quick fix. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Great. So why do it this way? Well, I mean, the obvious reason is speed. It very quickly rebuilt the component for me in Figma and in Storybook. So that was really useful because then I could check it myself, make sure it used my styles. I can go in and fix it in Figma. And I think the amount of control it gives a designer is really powerful. So now working this way, I can check that it's right in Figma, update the Storybook, and that will ensure that what's being used in my app is correct as well. Another reason I want to work this way for my app, so Muchi is a really small app. I don't necessarily need to have a strict design system because it's just me building it, but it's a way of working that I want to use because I want to be able to prompt screens into existence. I want to be able to talk to my AI and brainstorm new flows, and that means I want the AI to use my components. And this is a way that I can ensure it does that. I can tell it to use the Storybook components when it's prototyping. So that's, again, a really powerful way of working. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're working through your own AI assisted workflows, I would love to chat. Thanks.